لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله ما لنا رب سوى لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله لا إله.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Topic for today's reminder. It is we are talking of Ramadan. Number one, Ramadan Kareem. And this Ramadan, try to help each other. When we are talking of helping each other, what do I mean by that? Ramadan, it is the month of the month of mercy. The month of mercy. We are getting a lot of ajr min Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should not be lazy. We know that our mothers and sisters most time they are working in kitchen, and some males and some boys and even they are not helping them. You should try to do something with them because they are getting ajr. They will be rewarded, as also you also will be rewarded. And don't feel laziness, because when you think that you are only fasting, we are all fasting. We should try to contribute with each other, to help each other in contribution. Wallahu fi awni al-abdi ma dama al-abdu fi awni akhihi. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Almighty Allah will keep helping somebody who keeps help others. Try to help. Let us help our mothers at home in the kitchen. If you are girls, help our father. Whatever they are doing, it will be rewarded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Do not be lazy. Laziness has no reward. And if you try to help, you'll be rewarded. You are fasting, they are also fasting. Try to, that is kind of exercise. If you do it, you'll be rewarded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Help them, Allah will help you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.